Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another beautiful opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course I always use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading. And we will be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. All you need to do is just for you to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you practice very well on your demo account before trying them out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Okay guys, quickly let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Okay guys, this is boom 1000. I'm on 5-minute time frame using the 3M trend Milka trading indicator, and of course this started an uptrend right from this support zone. You can see the yellow flag, and of course it kept on buying even though it played around there for a while, but broke out above it around there to get to a new resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend. You can see the red flag and the red arrows, so this is going to be selling more. So this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Let's check it out right away. This is boom 500, and of course it started an uptrend right from here, and it came to an end at this resistance. So right from there it started a downtrend, and you can see the red flag and the red arrow. Okay, and this has been selling since then, but it needs to break out below the support zone. Okay, once it breaks out below it, it's going to sell more. Okay, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity, most especially once it breaks out below this. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 1000. Crash 1000 has actually started an uptrend right from here, and of course it kept on buying till it got to this resistance zone. Okay, so it is still buying at the moment, but if it's unable to break out above this resistance zone, then definitely it will go back on downtrend. But if it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying. This is still buying at the moment. This might not be for a very long time, most especially if it's unable to break out from there. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. Okay, this is crash 500. It started an uptrend right from this support zone. You can see it going up, broke out from this resistance zone. It kept on going up till it got to this region. Okay, this is still buying at the moment. If it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will go back on downtrend. Okay, we should take note of that. Okay, so this is still buying at the moment. It might not be for a very long time. Okay, the next asset is going to be volatility 75. Let's check it out right here. Volatility 75 actually started an uptrend from here, got to this region and sold for a while, played around there for a while, but it was unable to break out below this support zone. So it went back on uptrend to break out above this resistance zone, and of course it's heading towards the next resistance zone. If it's unable to break out from there, then definitely it will go back into a downtrend. So for now it is still buying, even though this might not be for a very long time. If it's unable to break out above that resistance zone, then it will go back into a downtrend. Okay, so this is very important for us to understand. We will be stopping right here. Remember, this is coming to you courtesy Qora Digital Cash, and if you have any question at all, kindly give me, kindly send it within the comment section, or you contact me personally. Okay, I will be stopping right here. Remember,